Alright, I just put gas in this thing for the first time. Brought it upstairs from the basement today. I'm gonna see if I can get it to fire up. I don't have my jump pack that I usually jump start it with, so I'm gonna have to try and kickstart it. See if it fires up. Idling now. I got the idle to settle down after a minute. Got it to rev up smoothly. Just took like 5 minutes idling, getting it hot for the first time. I think I'm gonna take it on a little rip. First rip of the year, put some fresh gas in it, see how it runs. So, this might be the first ride of 2021. I'm excited. I don't have my other GoPro charged because it's been in a box since I moved, but I will use the GoPro I'm using now when I go on this little ride just to the gas station to get some fresh gas in it. But I won't have a microphone or anything because the microphone never works for my new GoPro. It's trash. So there won't be any me talking while I ride, probably a bunch of wind noise, but that's okay. I wasn't really planning on taking it on a ride today anyways, so it's better than nothing. But I'm just gonna cruise down to the gas station, put some fresh gas in it, take a lap through town, see how it runs, and then that'll pretty much be it. Alright, let's go for a rip. Rip real quick. Gas station is just down the street. In this thing. Try not to make a mess first fill up of the year. This actually comes out pretty slow. I'll still manage to make a mess though. That'll be good. No mess. $1.72. Cost me like $42 to fill my Skyline up from quarter tank yesterday. Thanks, Biden. $3.45 for gas. Disgusting. No. It's the version of it.
Huh?
The version of it.
Oh, okay. So that's not the 190cc one?
Yeah, this one is the 190 with a 212 big bore on it.
So it's got the 5-speed transmission?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my god. How fast can you go on that?
I've had it 85.
Nice.
So far.
I'm thinking about putting that on my Honda Passport.
Yeah, do it.
And I want my turbo in too.
Yeah. It's too fast for what it is.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
I have a 150 on my Passport now, and it's like,
yeah.
faster.
Yeah.
Nice, have fun
Cool dude. Thinking about swapping his with a 190 on the Passport. I'm gonna go this way. Brake seems to be working good. Pretty windy. I'm gonna go straight here, do wheelies, and then come back. I actually used to take my Grom on this road when I had it to practice wheelies a couple years back. I don't know how long I had that, 5 years ago. Use my main road to practice wheelies on. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad you can hear me. I don't know. Let's do it again. Oh, it's so windy. Fighting the wind the whole time. Really windy today, but that's okay. It's worth the ride. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna turn around, head back toward home. I just wanted to go on a quick little rip, get my first wheelie of the year out of the way. I think last year I did it. It was either last year or the year before. I did it way sooner in the year, but this thing's been in the basement, and Ron came over today and helped me drag it back up. So once I got off work is when I decided to fire it up and take it for a quick little rip. But not going on any long ride or anything today. Got stuff to do. It's Wednesday, and it's really windy. Just a quick little rip and first wheelie just to get it out of the way because it feels so good. Let's try a top speed run into the wind and see what we can hit. Not bad for like how windy it is and stuff. There goes the cops. Probably got called in already. All the Karens and mad bikes are coming out. That's okay. 73 first rip into the wind. I think I gotta up the jet in the car, but I think it's running really lean right now. It's popping, the exhaust is getting hot.
I think it needs a little bit more fuel. Maybe we can get that 85 back again. And then I want to take this onto the dyno, see what it makes for power. Try a couple different carbs this year. See what happens with all that. I already want to find people to race. Love racing people on this thing for like 40, 50 miles an hour. Gotta try to find somebody. On my way home, hopefully. Probably not, but we'll try. Either way, I'm just gonna gun it everywhere I go because I can't help it. Idling high, but first ride I didn't want it to be a dying at stoplights, so I got to idle a little high just to be sure. Turn that down once I get the car dialed in again this year. Every year when I get it running, it seems to be a little bit off. You got to do a little tweaking. No big deal. A couple turns of a screw. That's like eighth of a throttle each gear. Just barely crashing it. Like through all the gears in like 2 seconds. Love it. I need a 4-valve head for this thing so bad. Carrying them in second, baby. I love it. Buddy. Oh, just did one of those late flames. So before I reset this, I probably drove like a mile to the gas station. So probably 15 miles. First ride. 73 was our max speed on that little in the wind deal. But I would say successful first ride of the year. No hiccups, no issues, no stalling. Got that first wheelie out of the way. So I am happy with that. Hey, hey, hey. What are you acting tough for? Who are you acting tough for? Huh? Who's you acting tough for? You barking at people? Huh? Huh, buddy? Don't act tough. Get out of here. Get out of here. Go ahead. Also, the 2021 Groms are about to come out in like a month or two. And word on the street is they are going to be 10 horsepower instead of 7. And a 5-speed trans instead of a 4. So, I think I might pick up a new Grom. Seems kind of fun. And maybe even the Monkey. I'd probably take the new Grom over the Monkey if I got one, but I might just be getting both. Why not? The more bikes, the merrier. But, what do you guys think about the new Grom? I mean, I had a Grom before, and I sold it because I liked this thing better, even when I had the 140. But I feel like the 5-speed trans will make it so much easier to wheelie, a little bit more power stock. So I'm thinking about picking up a new Grom. What do you guys think? If you've done any research on them, or if anybody's thinking about getting one, let me know what you think about those new ones. And I think I'm going to pick one up when they come out.